In the digital age, ensuring the safety of our children online is of paramount importance. Encryption serves as a powerful tool in protecting their digital presence from potential threats. By scrambling data and making it unreadable to unauthorized individuals, encryption shields children from hackers and safeguards their sensitive information. With user-friendly parental control apps and software readily available, implementing encryption has become easier than ever. Parents can now take proactive measures to create a secure online environment for their children, allowing them to explore the internet with confidence. By embracing encryption, we empower our kids to benefit from the countless opportunities the online world offers while ensuring their privacy and security. Let's make encryption the cornerstone of our children's online safety. Together we can keep them protected in the vast digital landscape. In today's digital age, children are immersed in a world of connectivity like never before. The internet has become their gateway to learning, entertainment, and socializing with friends. However, amidst the countless opportunities that the online world offers, there are hidden risks waiting to jeopardize their safety. Cyberbullying, online predators, and exposure to inappropriate content are just a few of the dangers that children may encounter. It is our responsibility as parents and guardians to protect them from these lurking shadows. By being vigilant, setting clear boundaries, and educating our children about online safety, we can equip them with the tools to navigate the digital landscape securely. Let's embrace technology while staying mindful of the challenges it poses, ensuring that our children's online experiences are both enriching and safe. As parents, safeguarding our children's online safety falls squarely on our shoulders. With the ever-expanding digital landscape, it becomes imperative to employ effective measures for their protection. This is where encryption steps in as a crucial tool. Encryption acts as a shield, fortifying our children's digital presence by scrambling their data and rendering it unreadable to unauthorized individuals. By embracing encryption, we establish a robust barrier against hackers and potential threats, ensuring that our children can explore the online world with confidence and peace of mind. Let's take responsibility for their online safety and utilize encryption as a powerful ally in safeguarding their digital well-being. Encryption acts as a shield, safeguarding your child's digital presence from prying eyes. It serves as a powerful mechanism that scrambles their data, rendering it unreadable to anyone lacking the decryption key. This ensures that sensitive information such as personal details and private conversations remains secure and confidential. With encryption, you can fortify your child's online activities against hackers and unauthorized access, granting you peace of mind. It empowers you to provide a protective layer that preserves their privacy in an increasingly interconnected world. Embrace encryption as a vital tool to shield your child's digital footprint, allowing them to explore the online realm with confidence. Without encryption, hackers can easily intercept sensitive information like passwords, personal details, and even private conversations. But with encryption, you can ensure that your child's online activities are secure and confidential. Utilizing encryption to safeguard your child's online experience doesn't need to be a complex endeavor. The availability of numerous user-friendly parental control apps and software simplifies the process of establishing necessary safeguards. These tools empower parents to easily set up protective measures, ensuring their child's online activities remain secure. With intuitive interfaces and straightforward features, these applications make it convenient to monitor and control internet access, filter content, and manage screen time. By leveraging these user-friendly solutions, you can effectively create a safe digital environment for your child without hassle. Embrace the accessibility of parental control apps and software to enhance your child's online safety effortlessly. Since implementing encryption to safeguard my child's online activities, I've gained tremendous peace of mind. Knowing they are protected from online threats brings me immense reassurance. It's akin to having a digital guardian angel watching over them in the vast digital landscape. Encryption has become an invaluable tool in ensuring their safety and allowing them to explore the internet securely. Parents, the time for action is now. Don't hesitate any longer. Begin using encryption today to safeguard your children's online safety. By doing so, you empower them to explore the internet with confidence, knowing their privacy and security are protected. Take the proactive step to create a secure digital environment for your kids. Let encryption be the shield that keeps them safe in the ever-evolving online world. The host standing in front of a backdrop with the text encryption. Remember, encryption is the key to their safety. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on how to make the most of the digital world while keeping your kids secure. See you next time.